When you have your boat apart like this, take advantage of the time and the fact that you've got it bare to where you can reinforce if need be. Some of these cross members were sagging, were bent. Hey, it's Tom from Toons. Today, we've got this boat stripped down. It's a 20-foot boat. It's a play buoy from probably the early 90s, late 80s. We're gonna do a new deck, new railings, everything, but first things first, it has the maxed out horsepower on it at 75 horse. When we stripped it down, and you may find this when you're redoing your boat at home, is that some of these cross members were sagging, were bent. Maybe it's the torque of the motor, the weight of trailering, hard to say. But when you have your boat apart like this, take advantage of the time and the fact that you've got it bare to where you can reinforce if need be. We also, kind of a neat thing, when you've got your boat stripped down, if you have a local welder, maybe a mobile welder, we had these brackets fabricated right down the road and they were welded on, and that's gonna give us, the old deck used to be here at the end of it. Now we get an extra 12 inches of deck, which is going to be important when we're adding a sun deck and everything, making this boat look more modern. So, to reinforce, what we did is we moved around, we got rid of the one cross member that was bent. That's gone. What we're going to do is actually put in the C channel. This was farther forward. It's a more reinforced, more structural piece of aluminum. That's going to come, it was up here, it's going to come back here now. And then we went to the local metal shop, and this is 1.25 inches, so we made sure we measured all of our Z channel or S channel like this. That's 1.25 inches height. We got 1.25 inches. This is some thick stuff. This is 3/16 thickness, but it's a 1.25 outer diameter. So what we'll do is put this on the last two pieces where that weight of the motor isn't gonna damage the boat or start to make the wood warp over time. Take advantage when your boat's broken down to fix those little things that are going to make it have another 20 plus years of life.